to Kent for another house-sitting gig. We stopped off at a pub to watch the Australia v Denmark game. Things aren't going so hot. Okay, Joel's in the bathroom. Something has happened. I think Australia has a penalty kick, which means essentially a 50-50 chance of scoring. Oh my god, I feel nervous. Yes! Yes! He missed it! Joel's in the bathroom, that's where he is. He's been there for ages. I think he's sulking. What? They scored! It was a penalty.
Dan was messaging me while I was on the toilet. He's like, oh my god, could it be? I was like, what?
Are we breathing a little easier now?
I don't know, it's still, we're going to win this game.
Joel. Had to leave the game early. 3 minutes to go to catch this train. Australia's still tied 1-1. And we don't know how to watch the game on the phone. What platform are we looking for? Just made it on the train. Score is still 1-1. Joel's dad sent a thumbs up. We don't know if they've scored or if it's full time and we're happy with a tie.
Must be, like, you sent a clap, so like you don't clap for like if it was a goal.
Oh, he sent a clap. Okay.
Like,
how do we feel about this?
I mean, it keeps us alive. Where are we, Bethy?
We're at my dream house, Dilly.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
And why is it your dream house?
It's my dream house because it's owned by a food writer and she has the most amazing kitchen ever. And there's 3 lovely dogs here. We're in the British countryside and there's walks. And this is where the writer A.A. Milne of Winnie the Pooh lives. We're here! And last night we saw the 100-acre wood and we're going to Pooh Sticks Bridge. So we're here because we're house sitting, but we're also dog sitting. Here's Ruby. Say hello. Hello. Yes. Oh, kisses. Thank you. And here's Alex. Hello. And here's Phoebe. Hello, Phoebe. We're going to Pooh Sticks Bridge, and we're going on a little bike tour of everything Winnie the Pooh, and I couldn't be more excited. Spent the morning rewatching Winnie the Pooh reruns on the Mac, and now we're off to see them in person.
She's just gone back to get the phone. Once upon a time, I used to ride 60 kilometers round trip to work. Now, I've just ridden about 800 meters uphill. I'm pooped. Winnie the Pooh's not worth it. We want to get Beth's reaction on camera here. Here she comes. This is Pooh Sticks Bridge. You're underwhelmed?
Oh, I'm not overwhelmed. I'm excited. We used to play Pooh Sticks at just whatever bridge we had when we were kids. It's funny how you get so excited about something that's just a bridge and, you know, but my heart.
Before we throw these sticks, we're going to talk a little bit about Pooh Stick strategy. To land like that.
How do you know this? Have you done this before?
I've been watching sticks go through water. It's just a light drop, and you want it to flow as quick as possible, but straight. If you drop it like that, there's too much resistance. So nice and straight, it flows with the water.
Typical Pennington, super competitive strategy.
I'm probably going to lose after all this. 3-3.
Oh shoot, I cheated by accident. One last look. Mine was winning.
I think that's yours there, no?
Where? Should have paid more attention to what my stick looks like. I don't see either of them. What's the strategy now?
Well, the strategy is is to follow the rules for starters.
Followed the rules.
I'm gonna get stuck. Oh, damn it. Mine's got stuck. Yours is right there.
Oh, yes. Hooray! And then we should take a picture of both of us. Oh, I've loved it. Julie, it's everything I hoped of.
How you feeling?
Oh, a little tired. I don't know how we got so unfit. Yoga is not a workout. I've just realized that in Goodbye Christopher Robin, the movie we just watched last night, they used this spot here in the film when A.A. Milne and the illustrator, whose name I can't remember, were walking down after being at the lookout with Christopher Robin.
So Beth thinks we've stumbled upon where the woozle wasn't. I don't actually know what that is.
Well, I think... Here, Julie, you're blocking the where the woozle wasn't.
I'm blocking the woozle. The non-woozle.
I think your head's still in it. It's a big head. I think this is where the woozle wasn't. Behind us here, clump of pine trees. Pooh's enchanted place. Eeyore's gloomy place. I mean, it doesn't look very gloomy, but it's full of bracken, so I mean, to walk through. Oh, it's prickly.
Okay.
Here I come.
Yeah.
So it's safe to say that being here has like reignited my love of cooking. So I may have, in typical me fashion, taken on a few too many things.
What are you pulling up there?
Just our spreadsheet meal plan.
It's gotten a little extreme.
Including making regular bread, which went well, I think. But then I also tried to make some sourdough bread. This is all that's left. I mean, these are good knives. I'm gonna have to get Joel to cut this for me. I mean, it tastes good, but it is thick and stodgy. So we're going to tame the cooking down next week. Although I just found a really good spelt banana bread recipe. So. Uh-oh.
What's happened here?
I spilled the coffee beans everywhere while I was trying to film. I don't know why these things only happen to me.
I didn't try and move it a million miles an hour.
I wasn't moving quickly, I wasn't. Probably the worst part about spilling the coffee beans from the fridge is that I don't even need them because there are coffee beans right here. Okay, so we do this. Box turn on. So then I press. I'll just stop there. We do that. We do. Last time it was like iced coffee. What? Oh, it's done. Oh, no, it's not. It's just fire. Oh dear. Tastes fine, but it's definitely only lukewarm. Now, to do some work. How's the work progress going, Jolie?
Good, we're having a little break for the Spain Russia.
We did go for a walk, baby? Okay, yes. Ah, it stings, the stinging nail stings. Oh no, Phoebe's broken the lead, chasing a rabbit. Come here, Phoebe. Come here, Phoebe. Yes. Oh dear. Wellness, Phoebe?
That concludes our walk.
Oh dear. Uh-oh, Phoebesy. What happened? Have we lost a nail? Okay.
But I want to walk on.
I think we should go back. Sorry, kids. I know, Phoebe, you'd like to continue, but...
No, Phoebe.
Okay, come on. Okay, just a little improvising here on the leash. We've tied her up with a bowline like you tie up a canoe. I don't think Ruby wants to go home. And exciting things happen when you get the camera out, eh, Jolie? Just to give you a little Phoebe update, hey? She's feeling much better despite her face. Cleaned it with salt water and just a little cut on the toe. So we're all good, eh, Phoebe? Yeah.